एरिया कुठला आहे? अरे निलेश काहीतरी चावतोय भैस्य नको. ये अग्निशामक दल का रेस्क्यू टीम है. इसमें हमारे मंडल के ही कोई सदस्य है.
While Mumbai has witnessed several heavy showers ever since late last night, rains continue to flood several parts of Mumbai. Here at Nehru Nagar as well, there is waterlogging on the streets, leading to several traffic snarls and difficulty in movement across the city as well. In fact, not only on the Eastern Express Highway but on the Western Express Highway as well, there is heavy traffic that has been witnessed, particularly because of waterlogging at various locations in the city. When you speak of other parts that in the suburbs of the city, that is Thane and Navi Mumbai, there is flooding there, which is where we've seen schools declare a holiday. However, when you speak of schools in Mumbai, they continue to work. Although there have been 244 pumps that have been installed across the entire city to ensure that the water is drained out. Of course, as of now, IMD had for a brief period until 10 a.m. declared it was an orange alert. However, as of now, it is yellow alert in the city, but at several other locations as well. It is expected that for the next 2 days there can be heavy rainfall that can be witnessed, as a part of which precautionary measures have been taken. The Chief Minister has also taken a stock of the situation. Apart from that, the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar had also visited the war room at Mantralaya to take a stock of the situation. BMC and various other civic bodies have also been asked to stay firm on this, to take a stock of the situation and ensure that the water logging does not affect the normal commute or the normal life of citizens in all of these places, which is where now we see, of course, because the rains are subsiding, is where the water logging that is being witnessed is pretty less, but traffic snarls continue at various places in Mumbai still.
हेलो
आता मी काय म्हणतो शहाणा असेल ना गाडी काढा तिकडे नेऊन लावा कसे माझे होते 10 वाजता 11 साल म्हणून आपण जाऊ.
40 काहीतरी आहे. बरोबर ना. आता
याला उडी
1 तास लागतो ना.
आज 2 दिवस अजून लागला
पाणी वाढलं.
वर पहिली असं वाटतं